Folks, I just spent 5 minutes turning a boring product photo into an amazing video ad, and honestly, it looks like it was made by a professional studio. Spoiler alert, I did it all myself. No editing skills needed. Now, if you've ever tried making ads before, you know how painful it can get. All that effort often ends up costing more than the ad itself. That's where VidAU AI steps in. It's a creative suite built to turn a single image into professional UGC content in minutes. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you what this platform is and how it fits into a content workflow. We'll walk through the exact path from image to finished ad. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. So my friends, VidAU is more than just another editing tool. Think of it as a compact creative studio that packs several production steps into one place. Instead of jumping between apps or hiring outside help, you handle the whole process inside a single platform. Guys, it combines 3 main features that work together seamlessly. The image tool lets you generate lifestyle shots from a basic photo, placing your product in natural settings without the hassle of staging. Then, the video engine transforms those visuals into dynamic clips that are ready for social feeds. And finally, the avatar feature adds a presenter with synced voice, giving your ad the tone of authentic user content. The beauty of this setup is how smoothly it flows, folks. You begin with a simple picture and finish with a polished clip that looks ready to post on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. No extra software, no technical headaches, just a clear path from start to result. Okay, my friends, now let me show you how it actually works in practice. I'll head over to the website and dive straight into the platform. Right away, you can see the video ads section with all the tools you need to create professional ad content. Everything from image generation to video creation is right here in one place. What's cool, folks, is that they also have sections like video translation and background remover, plus UGC creators with different avatar categories. You can filter everything to match exactly what you need for your brand. There are community templates, realistic avatars, and AI-generated presenters, all organized so you can find the perfect style for your content. But let me walk you through the complete pipeline, guys. We're going from a single product photo all the way to a finished UGC video. The first step is the image tool. I'll upload this camera I want to promote and set up a simple prompt. You can choose between different models. There's Google's Nano Banana and VidAU Image, and VidAU Image V 1.5. Next, I'm turning on creativity mode, so the system generates more dynamic and engaging results for us. You can also adjust the scale for multiple variations, folks, which is really handy when you need options. There's even a seed section if you want consistent styling across multiple images, but we'll keep it random. All that's left is to hit generate, and boom, the process starts immediately. What I love is how fast this is, and you can re-edit or regenerate right here without leaving the platform. No jumping between different apps or losing your progress. Perfect. Folks, the lifestyle image is ready in seconds, and it looks genuinely professional. You can view it full screen to check all the details. The system even suggests next steps: create an avatar or make a video. This seamless workflow is exactly what makes VidAU special. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's check out the video creation. Just like before, we have 2 model options: VO3 and VidAU Video. I'll write a simple prompt here describing what I want to see. You can set the duration from 5 to 10 seconds, which is perfect for social media attention spans, folks. You can set the resolution up to full 1080p with adaptive scale as the smart default. There's a camera fixed option if you want completely static shots, but I'm keeping it dynamic so we get some nice movement. This adds that professional touch that makes viewers stop scrolling. Generation time is super quick here too. And there we go, guys, a smooth zoom on the camera that looks completely natural. No weird artifacts or glitches, just clean professional motion that would fit perfectly in any ad campaign. Now time to see the avatar feature in action. The video automatically loads into the system, and now I need to add the voiceover component. Folks, I have 2 options here: upload my own audio for dubbing or generate speech from a script. I'm pasting in a short product description something engaging that highlights the key features and benefits. The next step is to choose a voice from their extensive library. It has everything organized by language, accent, and so on. I want American English for this ad since it matches my target audience. Now folks, let me try this ad voice.
Hi, I'm Kix. I'm on radio stations in Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. I'd be honored to be on your next project.
You can even preview how it will sound before committing.
Meet the Nikon camera, the perfect companion for all your adventures. Lightweight, stylish, and easy to carry, it helps you capture every moment with stunning clarity.
This saves so much time compared to generating and then realizing the voice doesn't match your brand. Once you're happy with the voice selection, hit generate. Guys, the system estimates about 5 minutes, but honestly, it's usually faster than that. And here's our finished clip with voiceover.
Meet the Nikon camera, the perfect companion for all your adventures. Lightweight, stylish, and easy to carry, it helps you capture every moment with stunning clarity. Whether you're exploring a new city, hiking in nature, or just enjoying everyday life, this camera makes every memory look incredible. Its compact design fits in your bag without slowing you down, and it's simple enough for beginners, yet delivers the quality that photography lovers will appreciate. Nikon, bringing your moments to life, one shot at a time.
Simple but powerful and with a clear message. Now let's talk about the remix feature, which I liked most. You can take all your generated media and additional assets and combine them into multiple variations. I'm uploading 6 files here to create a diverse set of ads. Then fill in your product name and add a compelling title. Next, write a detailed product description and input your key selling points. Folks, the system uses all this information to create cohesive, on-brand content. You can select how many videos to generate. I'm keeping it at 5 for this demo. The language options are comprehensive, and you can pick different avatars all in one place. Everything's organized with smart filtering, so you find exactly what works best for your brand personality and target audience. Whether you need a young professional look or something more authoritative, the options are there. Now I'll hit generate, and within minutes, you've got 5 video ads ready to go. Each one has its own unique style, approach, and personality. It's perfect for testing what resonates best with your audience across different platforms. The quality consistency is remarkable. Guys, every clip maintains that professional standard, but with enough variation to feel authentic and not templated. You can re-edit anything you don't like or regenerate specific sections that need tweaking, all within the same platform. No external editing software required, no complicated export processes. Everything stays in one ecosystem, which saves hours of workflow management that usually kills productivity with other tools. Alright guys, let's wrap it up. After exploring what VidAU brings to the table, the takeaway is simple. It lowers the barrier to professional-looking ads by giving you an easy and affordable workflow. Instead of juggling multiple apps or relying on expensive teams, you can focus on your creative ideas and messages. For e-commerce brands, creators, and even small business owners, that means less stress and more freedom to experiment and adapt quickly. Folks, this kind of flexibility is exactly what makes content stand out in crowded social feeds. So definitely try this software yourselves to see how it fits into your own process. Are you currently making visuals yourself, or have you been stuck with just static images for your products? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your biggest challenges with video content. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.